Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to cancel the NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. Now to do this, first you'll need to sign into your YouTube TV account. So what you do is you click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you select settings from the drop down menu. And then just go ahead and choose membership from the left hand menu and then locate NBA League Pass under your subscriptions. Okay, and then I want you to go ahead and click on cancel membership or remove add-on, and then just go ahead and confirm the cancellation when you are prompted to do so. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.